Hey YouTube, welcome to my first video. I really hope you all enjoy these recipes that I share, and please subscribe to my channel, like, and comment. These are the ingredients for the lasagna. You have your sauces, vegetables, cheeses, garlic, red wine, and oven ready noodles. Yes, the video is sideways, but you guys, this is my first video, so just bear with me. All of the ingredients will be in the description box below on my blog page, so just check that out. And for some reason, I don't have the seasonings shown, but again, it's going to be in my blog post. So next, I'm using an aluminum Dutch pot with extra virgin olive oil. You don't want to put too much, and make sure your pan is on medium heat before adding your vegetables and garlic. And I'm sorry y'all, but I don't like onions, so I'm only using green peppers, but you can add whatever vegetables you like. After cooking your vegetables for a couple minutes, you're going to add your lean ground beef and your Italian sausage. I use the chopping utensil to break the meat apart. It's really the best when chopping up your food. Once your meat is brown, you're going to drain the excess water and oils from the meat, and then you're going to get ready to add your seasonings. I started off with some onion powder followed by garlic powder. Those are like staples in my food, so you guys are going to see that a lot. I also use Mrs. Dash, the Italian Melody. If you guys never heard of it, it'll be on my blog post. And you just want to add a splash or two of red wine and mix it all together. Make sure the meat is chopped real fine, so you won't have no big chunks. So I went back and added some more seasoning because I felt like that wasn't enough. I added some black pepper, and then I used the Adobe all-purpose seasoning. And then I just put in the tomato paste. And y'all, I was struggling to get it out this can. You want to stir everything together and then add your crushed tomatoes and your tomato sauce and mix it all together. So here I am putting in some parsley, and then I'm just going to give it another stir so that I can simmer it on low and then get ready for my cheese mixture. And for the cheese mixture, I'm just mixing together the ricotta cheese, the Parmesan cheese, the egg, and the seasonings. You guys can season it however you like. And remember, the measurements will be on my blog post. Okay, so with layering your lasagna, you want to start off with your meat sauce and put enough down at the bottom. So next, you're going to add your oven ready noodles. You don't have to worry about boiling your noodles first. And make sure you place them down to cover every area of the pan. Next step is to add your cheese mixture. Making a spoonful of cheese versus me spreading it would have been so much easier, but I took the struggle way. Then on top of the cheese mixture, you're just gonna add the Parmesan cheese and spread it all the way around. Then you just add the sauce on top, and then you're gonna repeat the steps until your pan is full. And once you have all your layers together, you're going to put it in the oven uncovered at 350 for about 30 minutes. You want to make sure the top is nice and brown. This lasagna was so good, you guys. Everything turned out perfect. But I just want to say thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, and tell me how this recipe turned out for you in the comments.